Hey guys, it's Lucy coming at you with my March Luxe Boxy Charm unboxing. Hopefully this month they send the card insert. So I didn't get an email about it, so fingers crossed. Mine came super early. It came yesterday, which was Friday the 13th, which is like a whole week earlier than usual for me when I get my Boxy Charm boxes up here in Canada. I will link it all down below if you're interested in checking it out. I quite enjoy it. I've had it for almost 2 years now, and I haven't been disappointed in anything I've received. Like I said, this month is my Luxe Box. Oh, and yay. Let me not have that in. Okay. So it came with the card insert this month. And for this for this box, I was able to pick 2 out of the items that I wanted to try from like the options they'd given me because I did like the pre-access. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Bombshell Baker. These are the glitzy gold stainless steel straw set. It retails for $21. It's all American prices, by the way. Like I said, I'm in Canada. So it came in this really nice pink velvet packaging. Don't mind like the slightly shinier face. It's like 1:30 in the morning. I just got home from my job and I wanted to film this before I forgot or it got too late. But it comes with 4 stainless steel straws as well as the little brush cleaner. I honestly picked this for my daughter because she's really eco-friendly and she really likes her straws that she had, and the other items that I could have chosen from didn't really interest me, but I thought that'd be great for her. Next in it, I have the Becca Love Skin Glow Glaze Stick in, doesn't say, this is what the packaging looks like. Oh, that's so bright. It's like a pale blue like that. This retails for $28. It's like a silver packaging like this. Like that. Looks like it'd just be like a nice cream illuminator. Give you that glow factor. Like I said, that was $28. It's an ultra sheer translucent highlighter that imparts a dewy glass-like sheen to the skin. So I'll try that out, see how it goes. Next is the Boxy Charm Hello Charmer eyeshadow palette. This retails for $39. That's what the packaging looks like. It's very sleek. It has all these really fun, like springtime shades in here. And what's really nice, it has the names written on the packaging. And it comes with a nice size mirror. It's 12 matte and shimmery shades. These are highly pigmented colors to deliver the maximum payoff. I'm super excited to try out Spoiler right here, as well as this one, which is Luxe. So that's going to be a really fun palette to throw into rotation. It's pretty neat that Boxy Charm is coming out with like their exclusive items for Boxy Charm, which is nice. The next item is a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Wild Night. This retails for $25. Oh, this is such a pretty shade, like right up my alley. It's a super dark color, like a wine shade. Super excited for that. That's going to be amazing. I can't wait to wear that. I do have another one of these Power Matte Lip Pigments, and I quite enjoy it. So I'm definitely super excited for that one. Next is the Tartist Pro Remix Palette. This was the other item that I was able to pick from the selection of ones. And funny story, like back at Christmas, this palette was on sale at Sephora. and I was gonna buy it, but I was like, you know what? I don't need another eyeshadow palette that I'm not really gonna use. This is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty. It has a massive mirror. On this palette, it has all the shades like on the actual packaging. So that's what the colors look like. This palette is gonna go great with other palettes in my collection. This retails for $49. It has 20 shades. And I really like the Tarte eyeshadow palettes. So I'm super excited to have this one in my collection now. Super pretty. Like, right up my alley. Yeah, super excited for this one. I'm like super excited for a lot of things, guys. I just love when my Boxy Charm box shows up. It's like the best thing ever. Minus when I like order other stuff, you know, that I don't need. Next is the Deborah Lipman. Is it called anything? Oh, it's the Fire on Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling nail polish set. I've tried Deborah Lipman nail polishes in the past. This retails for $19. Super pretty. I'll pull them out so you can see them better. I know you can find Deborah Lipman at Sephora, I believe, still. Online at least. I've seen them at Nordstrom, and that's where I think. I don't really go anywhere anymore. So that's the shade Can't Stop the Feeling. It's going to be super pretty on my toes. Seeing that I currently have acrylics right now. And I'll probably have acrylics for the rest of the year. Then this is Fire on the Horizon. Which is that one right there. Definitely can't wait till I can rock these on my toes. And like live my best life. Probably my daughter's going to steal these before I even get a chance to use them. As per usual. Next I have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream and the Coco Cabana Cream Duo. This retails for $15. They are 25 milliliter little sizes. I really enjoyed this one. I have one in my purse right now, and I love it. Super hydrating. Can't wait to try the Cabana one. See how that works for me. Then I have the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. This retails for $99. This is the most expensive thing in this kit. Well, box this month. It's Sonic Glow technology with the beauty of silicone, customable. Oh my god. Yo, honestly, don't even come for me. Actually, no one's gonna come for me. That's great. So I thought it was black originally. I guess it's a navy blue. So this is what it looks like. It's silicone, which is pretty neat. It does come with a battery to put in because you need to use a battery with it. I don't know how this. Oh, I wish my kid was here. So let me put the battery in real quick so I can show y'all. About breaking a nail. Ooh, there we go. Oh no, I dropped it. Probably gonna edit this out. Hold on. Oh, I don't know what happened now. Oh my lord, where did the battery go? Okay, I'm back. So you comes with a AA battery. You have to use a battery with it. So it looks like this now. There you go. So battery's in, gold base. If you can hear it, it like vibrates like super cool. Makes me think of like the Foreo, like the Lunas, which is nice. This will be really nice to try. Oh, it has different levels and like vibrations things. That's pretty neat. I will definitely use this as like my go-to travel one. Like, you know, when I go to my mom's for the weekend or to Bae's house. Not that I have a Bae currently, but you know. Does it tell me how many settings? There's 4 settings to it. It's an anti-aging facial massage. You can use it to massage your serums and moisturizer into your skin. Yeah, so that's pretty neat. I'm super excited about this. And it's a nice color, so I'm not going to be all like bummy about it. But yeah, that is my March Luxe Box. If you have Boxy Charm, let me know in the comments down below if you got same items, similar items. I'm super excited to see what you guys got. Well, to hear about what you guys got. I'll link my other Boxy Charm playlist up above so y'all can check it out and see if it's going to be worth your money on getting. I think it is. This box was the 25 plus the other 25, so like a $50 box, and you have over 200 easy, almost $300 worth of product in here based on the quick math that I tried to do just now. But yeah, I'll link everything down below if you're interested in checking out Boxy Charm, and I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye y'all.